This here is video we got from viewers in Mankato. You're looking at conditions on Friday. You can see a parking garage underwater. City officials say streets were flooded with several temporarily closed off, and cars, as you saw, were underwater. While there were no injuries, there are expensive damages. Renee Cooper was in Mankato speaking to people now dealing with insurance as another round of rain hit.
We lost the clothing. Carpets, brand new carpets. I never used it.
Khadija Hussein and her husband dumping the soaking wet contents of their basement, now ruined.
5 to 6 times I had a vacuum to soak it out. It was too bad.
The couple among several at the city's designated drop site. The Husseins expecting insurance to cover a fraction of an estimated $20,000 worth of damage.
That is a wake-up call.
City leadership reporting Friday rain totals between 4.5 and 6.1 inches across town, and 19 households calling in about flooded basements.
But, you know, the true number is really unknown. It's hard to say.
We just got a lot of water in a short period of time.
That report from public officials at the debris collection site was around noon on Saturday. By then, Friday's flooding largely receded from city streets. But less than an hour and a half later, the first of at least a couple rounds of rain once again started to fall. Check out the water level here at Kiwanis Park as another round of rain starts to subside here on Saturday afternoon. This is just one of several parks and camping areas closed throughout the city for the weekend. The swollen and swift-moving Minnesota River measuring 24 feet going into the day. And city officials expect it to crest at 28 feet on Monday morning.
The historic highest peak is at 30 feet. That was in 1993, I believe.
Officials optimistic their flood control system will keep the city safe from another large influx of water. But as the rain starts to hit heavy again, the forecasted river level becomes more and more of a guesstimate.
A lot of that's dependent on how much rain they got out west, points west and north, upstream from Mankato, and how long it takes to get here.
So Monday could be a pretty variable situation here.
Absolutely.
In Mankato, Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.
Mankato's debris drop-off site will be open again tomorrow from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. For more on that and a full list of park and other closures, head to ksdp.com.